This is Varud. I'm moving towards my starting point. Yesterday night I stayed here in a small budget lodge. Here I can see lots of school children using cycles, but there is no common sense. That is the main problem. For safety, we must keep some traffic rule. Everywhere they can go without signals. So we must keep left only. Okay, that is very important for cycle. Bazaar. Today I need to go towards Nagpur from Varud. The Chemgaon Urban Cooperative Branch Varud.